Where were you going? Xena is taking the lead. And once we're done on our walk, we're gonna Tacobout some grilled cheeseburgers. So today, me and Xena are revamping one of our favorite recipes, our queso burgers that we actually made really early in our little YouTube channel's history. We started with the base of that, but doubled some of the spices, add some more spices, and instead of making 4 burgers, we turned it into 2. So right now, they are back at the car smoking at, I think I put it on either 250 or 350, I can't remember. And then we are going to use grilled cheese sandwiches as the bun. We are super excited to try them. Okay, so Mr. Cameraman's hanging out right behind the camper. We're just hanging out this park really fast so I can make lunch. And I did check, the burgers are grilling at 250. So far they've been on for like an hour, I'd say, in maybe an hour and 15 minutes, and they're pretty much done. So I have these Lily's grilled cheeses right here. I'm just gonna pop these open and then microwave them. So now it's time to get crazy. Here are our ginormous burgers. And we got our grilled cheese here. We're gonna put down 1, and then we have 4 slices of velveeta. So put down 1 grilled cheese, put down the velveeta. Now, I have no idea if this is gonna fit in there, but you only live once, right? So you definitely gotta try. Okay, plop that on. Put on another slice. And another grilled cheese. That thing is freaking massive. And it's gonna taste like tacos. So that's why these are called Tacobout grilled cheeseburgers. We are definitely going to be linking, or not linking, we're gonna have the recipe for the burgers down below. I guess we can still link the original video of our queso burgers. Oh, and look at that. Fits like a glove. Okay, so now I just want to get them a little toasty. So actually a lot toasty. So I'm setting it on like a 4.5, right in between 4 and 5. This is our little Dash Mini toaster oven. If I remember to, we'll also link this review video down below too. We've also done a couple tests with this, but overall I think that these turned out crazy amazing. And the thing that we're smoking with today, or the pellets we're smoking with today, oh, that is, let's turn that off. Whew, that got toasty fast. Why did it get so toasty? Thankfully we don't have a fire alarm in here. Oh, I bet the bread is, yep. So the bread was just touching the heating element. So, I don't think the bread has to be super crunchy. I think that will still be delicious. And it does look like the cheese did melt. So let's get the other one just in there long enough for the cheese to melt too. Well, I've got to say that looks freaking amazing. Let's go take it to Mr. Cameraman so he can start eating while mine is in the oven. Let's try to get a gnarly cross section of this thing. It looks crazy amazing. It's definitely a lot of cheese. If you don't like cheese, this recipe is not for you. The inside of these burgers is stuffed with queso fresco, pepper jack, low moisture mozzarella, and white velveeta. Okay, I just got it in half. Wowza. Look at how freaking gnarly that looks. There's also cilantro in the filling too. That is so good. I'm gonna have the recipe all in the description. But if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.